You guys, so what's up? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. I said I was going to start getting dressed in my intros and look what I'm wearing. But it's a good representation for this video because I have been in an outfit rut. I feel like my wardrobe is just not ready for fall. My clothes for summer I'm already like bored of. I've like worn every single outfit, which just happens at the end of the season. There's nothing wrong with that. I just feel uninspired and lazy, and this is what I've been wearing every day: athletic shorts and a big baggy t-shirt. So I wanted to do a video where I don't have to style myself. So this is gonna be a two-parter. In this video, AI is gonna be styling me. I'm using the app Open Wardrobe. So you basically put all your clothes in there and the little AI bot styles you. That's it. Do I know how it does it? No, it's AI. Nobody knows. Before we get into this video though, I did want to thank our sponsor, which is Squarespace. So I'll talk about them later. I have some exciting news about Squarespace. Very exciting news. And if you guys are a fan of this t-shirt, you want to stick around and listen to what I have to say. Open Wardrobe. I don't want to dress myself. Oh, but the second part of this is I'm having a real person style me. App Fashionably, I think that's how you say it. I think next week I get my style guide from them and I'll have to purchase the clothes and do all that. So it'll be clothes I don't already have. So a bit different, but whatever. So let's go into my outfits that AI has suggested for me. Okay, so this is the first one that stuck out to me. It's this black Zara shirt I'm really liking, black booty shorts, and my kitten heels. Also, I'm so excited right now. My friend is in labor. I can't even focus. So here, why is this kind of cute together? AI would never put this together, but I like this. It's actually really adorable, and I could totally see myself wearing something like this. Where would I wear this? I don't really know. It didn't give me like hair accessories or anything, so it's a pretty like bland outfit. We could do like the black headband. I feel like kind of makes it more dressy, so let's make it a little bit more casual. We could do like a scrunchie, which I love the scrunchie with this top for some reason. I think they just pair so well together. Yeah, I like the hair up a lot better with this top. Let's do that, and then my favorite sunglasses right now that are from Bella. Okay, and look at that, with just some accessories, really spices up the fit. So this is actually really good. Thanks AI, I will totally wear this. I like the kitten heels with it, but I think like day to day, if I wanted again to dress it down, am I playing this game where I'm gonna like edit every single one? Edit? I don't have time to be doing this. I'm not editing the outfits, okay? We're sticking with what AI is. I like that they also offered this version of the outfit, which is, I think, how I would wear it. Honestly, I am obsessed with this kind of shirt with like really baggy jeans, these tiered tops. Gives very Copenhagen. We've got black Sambas, dark indigo jeans, and sometimes when you upload stuff into like the app, it thought these jeans were black trousers, and then like you go in and edit it and say that they're whatever color, blue, that they're not black. Very, very cute. And again, oh wait, the basket they chose. They followed the rule of you don't have to match your shoes to your bag, which I appreciate so much. I would 10,000% wear this and probably not put these two pieces together because I feel like it's all too dark, but I love it. So AI's killing it. Next outfit. This is fun. I like AI better than my own brain. Okay, here's the next outfit with the Birkin basket. They zhuzhed it up a little bit. They didn't do the socks. I added those because I need socks. These pieces together give a little too like fairy core to me, so I feel like I need to like fix it up. Maybe we add like pigtails could be better, or do we just do this again and be annoying? Okay, this one's not my favorite. This top I got off Whatnot. It is, I think Express though is where it's originally from. I don't know, it's just like too much draping going on, which you can tell that in the photos, in the photo. This little skirt I am obsessed with. It's from Jeanette Clothing on Whatnot. She made it. She hand makes pieces and sells them on there and they're so good. I just don't think the like length of this top is doing the skirt any justice. Like the top has to be like way more oversized or a bit more cropped. I just don't love how it's sitting on me, quite honestly. Sambas, and then Birkin basket. I added the scrunchie and the sunglasses to zhuzh it up, but yeah, I don't like this outfit. You can tell what they were going for, and it's like almost there. Wait a damn minute. I think I made these outfits on the app and I just don't remember. Wow, the way I just shat on myself too. Okay, none of these were AI outfits. This makes more sense. These are the AI outfits. Why is this so funny? Okay, well now it's a battle of Lainey versus AI. I think Lainey's gonna win. If this is an indication of how this is gonna go, my advice right now is open the app when you feel inspired, put some outfits together, forget about them, and then actually go use the app when you want to get dressed. Let's try and zhuzh it up, but like it's bad. Remember how I complimented that the AI didn't feel the need to match your shoes to your bag? AI doesn't feel the need to match anything to anything. I love this app. I am not hating on this app. I literally use it. What is this? Nike D6000s, periwinkle socks, a black, like, this dress you cannot just wear on its own, it's gotta be styled, and a burgundy clutch. So this is actually something that I wear pretty often in the summertime. This little romper is from Urban a few years ago. It's just so easy to throw on. It matches with these like sandal style Doc Martens, short hair, not part of AI, I don't know why I just said that. And it said these sunglasses, so totally fine with this outfit. 1000% works, but you could pair any shoe with this dress, romper, and it would work. You're not getting away that easily. The way I never say bro, and like put it, the way I'm standing, I put on this outfit and the first thing I just want to say was bro. Did it think it was a set? Okay, but Peachy then, how cute would a halter set with a capri be? Maybe it thought it was a set, but I have the top to these pants in my closet on there, so I was confused. Maybe because you put in like the pattern and these are both plaid, so it thought plaid and plaid goes together, which is bizarre to think that you would pair two plaids together. And then just hitting hard with the clogs I do pair with capris. I like them with capris, but with such like a spring tone outfit, it's bad. Let's try and fix it up. That's me accessorizing it. I bet I could post this and somebody would be like, that fits fire, but I hate it. Okay, I gotta go check on baby. That's funny because I think I've put something on pretty similar, like top and bottom wise before. My hair makes me look too much like a cartoon. I actually really like this top with these pants and I wouldn't have thought about pairing them together, I don't think, but I love the muted colors together. I wouldn't do these pointed toe and it didn't give me a purse to do with it. And like the boots are just throwing me off as is. I kind of like the burgundy, honestly. I know you guys don't love that. Actually, I don't know. But I think with different shoes, I'd like this outfit. It looks like something, again, like I would wear before. Maybe like my little blue Dior kitten heels if I was trying to dress it up. But honestly, I'd like this outfit like a bit more dressed down than trying to dress up a cargo. That's just not my favorite anymore. But I still think it looks cute. So this is the first thumbs up for AI. Good job, AI. Okay, this one's really strange. I have these little like PJ pants that I wear day to day from Spellfan. I don't like them a bit more pulled up, I don't know. Okay, then this like vintage t-shirt from Whatnot, and then my Fry boots. I actually like the pants and the boots together, and I would pair just like a t-shirt, and I think that this is fun if you're going someplace like a cottage, you're like planning your PJs. Like this is fun PJs, you throw on your little boots in the morning and you go walk and get a coffee. Like I actually do like this outfit. If AI was thinking of that scenario for this outfit, great job. Anything else? Why do I like it? AI's getting in my head. This is the last outfit I'm showing because it just is funny to me how like AI would give us those crazy outfits and then it'll give us something so chill like this. White t-shirt, gingham pants, New Balance 550s, and it said this little brown purse, but it's in my living room, and my mom is watching baby right now, and if I go out there, can't come back in, she'll just want me. None of that. Let's add sunglasses to spice. I would not pair it with these shoes. These shoes just give it a lot more of a like street style look, and I like to wear my gingham pants like a little picnic girl, but it's weird because I like them with sambas. They're just a little too chunky for this pant, these shoes. I like these shoes with like joggers, like sweatpants. Or jeans, honestly, I think they're cute, but not really with these pants, so it's crazy that I feel like almost any shoe could be paired with these pants, and AI picked the one shoe I don't like with these pants. But that's it for this video. let's get into the surprise about Squarespace.
So like I said, I have some exciting news when it regards my Squarespace website. I actually just made a new Squarespace website, and this one is for the online store. So you guys have been asking so much about this straw baby tee that Brandon screen prints himself, and we have finally found the blanks we want to use and get them to you guys. So Squarespace is perfect for selling your products on an online store. Whether you sell physical or digital products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. This is something you're interested in. Something that is really crucial to an online store is having a mailing list. Get the right message to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about the most with a unique mailing list. And lastly, something I'm so big on that Squarespace always offers is the blogging and commenting features. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. So make sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. See you guys on my site.
That's it, for real now. Let me know if you want a part 2 or any video suggestions. I have a lot of fun ones coming out. Part 2 to AI. No, we're sick of AI. We're getting part 2 with real people. That's it. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.